morning to all of you. I am Rajesh Kumar, science teacher of Pratapgarh School, Pathankot. Today I am going to start a new chapter, Heredity and Evolution of class 10th Biology Science. This is the first lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss on the topics like heredity. What is heredity? What do you mean by variation? Variation are useful or not for a population? Then inheritance of character. Okay, let's start. What is heredity? Okay, first try to understand the concept of heredity. Heredity is actually the transfer of characters or traits. Traits are the characters like hair color, color of eye, skin color. Okay, these are the character, height, shape. Okay, these are the characters or traits which can transfer from parents to next generation or their offsprings, called as heredity, or these characters are called as heredity characters. Okay, now we know that there are two type of reproduction: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Okay, in case of sexual reproduction there are chances of variation, but in case of asexual reproduction the chances of variation are very limited, very less. Okay, then what are the variations? See, variations means change in the sequence of DNA. What is DNA? DNA is a deoxyribose nucleic acid. DNA is actually genetic material in which all the informations are present, which transfer from one generation to another generation. Okay, and due to the mutation in the DNA, mutation means due to any chemical, due to any effects, if the sequence of DNA change, then we can say that this is a mutation. Okay, so what is variation? The difference between the characters or traits among the individual of same species are called variation. Okay, the evolution is basically due to variation. Okay, you see the variation now in among humans, then animals, plants. Okay, these all are due to variation. Okay, variation in nutshell we can say that variation result in evolution of a new species. Okay, next, accumulation of variation during reproduction. When organisms reproduce, the offspring show minor variation due to inaccuracy in DNA copying. Okay, DNA copying means the simply we know that when a DNA divide or DNA replicate, replication is a process in which a DNA form a new copy of DNA. Okay, which transfer to the next cell or next generation. These variations are less in asexual reproduction, I already discussed with you, and more in sexual reproduction. Why less in asexual? Because in case of asexual there is no two different DNA. Okay, for example, in asexual reproduction, like if you talk about potato, okay, in potato vegetative propagation takes place. It is a mode of asexual reproduction. Okay, in this there is no variation in DNA. Okay, the parent DNA and the next generation DNA both are same. But in case of sexual reproduction, like animals, like humans, okay, there are so many other examples. The two DNA comes from two different parents, one from male, one from female. They combine together and they form a new DNA and then transfer to the next generation. Okay, so we can say that the chances of variation will be more in case of sexual reproduction. Some variations are useful and some variation are harmful. Okay, they again depend upon the circumstances and the situation. Some variation are useful variations and they help the organism to adjust to change to the changes in the environment. Some variation do not help the organism to adjust to the changes in the environment, and they may die and become extinct. Okay, for example, you can take any example. Okay, we know that there is a predator and prey. Okay, predator eat on prey, predator can kill prey. Okay, if the variation is favor, if the variation become favorable for the predator, then predator can attack a prey and can kill the prey. And if the variation favorable for the prey, then the predator not able to kill the prey. Okay, you can take any example like red beetle, white beetle, green beetle. Okay, the beetle which is the color of the beetle which is easily visible for the predator, like birds, so the bird can eat the beetle. And if the variation is useful, if the variation favor the beetle, so the change in color in such a way that like green beetles, so it is very difficult for the predator or for any bird to see a prey like green beetle, because surrounding the environment is also green, like bushes, plants. Okay, so we can say that variation sometimes useful, sometimes harmful. Okay, On the basis of this, we can say that these variations can also be a cause of extinction of a species and evolution of a new species. Okay. Then the rules for inheritance of characters. Okay, characters are transferred through genes. See, first try to understand the concept. What is gene? Okay, what is DNA? See, DNA is a genetic material. Okay, we know that in human there are 23 pair of chromosome. Chromosome is a long stretch of DNA. Okay, chromosome is a long stretch of DNA. DNA is actually a lengthened increase in the chromosome. Okay, because there are four bases A, T, G, C. Okay, these bases combine in a continuous fashion, okay, and form a longer stretch, and that contain informations of parents and which transfer to the next generation. Then what is gene? Gene is a small stretch of DNA, small segment of DNA which is capable of forming a protein. Okay, within the DNA, a small segments are present which can form a particular protein called as gene. Okay, characters are transferred through genes present in the DNA molecules in the chromosomes present in the nucleus of the cell, and we know that DNA present within the nucleus because chromosome present within the nucleus of a cell. Okay, the inheritance of characters is due to the fact that both the father and mother contributes equal amount of genetic material to the child. See, again we know that in human there are 23 pair of chromosomes. So during the reproduction, sperms carry only 23 chromosome and the ova also carry 23 chromosome, and when they combine together and the chromosome become 23 pair. Okay, and these 23 pair of chromosome of two different parents transfer to the next generation. So for each trait there are two factors, one from the father and one from the mother. Okay, one factor may be dominant, another factor may be recessive. We can study about these later on the basis of Mendel experiment. Okay, Gregor John Mendel conducted experiment with garden pea plant, determined the rules for inheritance of traits. Okay, Mendel was a father of genetics. Mendel is a father of genetics. Okay, and Mendel's gave for a three law basically, and on the basis of these law, Mendel concludes that DNA is a gene is actually responsible for the formation of a protein. Okay, the characters transfer from the parents to the next generation. Okay, now here is the location of DNA, location of chromosome within the nucleus. Okay, see there is the diagram of a cell. Inside a cell, nucleus is there. Okay, within the nucleus chromosomes are present. Within the chromosome there is a long stretch of DNA. This is a long stretch of DNA. Okay, I hope you understand the concepts. Okay, meet you soon in the next lecture. This was the first lecture, and meet you soon in the next lecture. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, have a nice day.